Do you also often get confused on those busy mornings what to quickly prepare for breakfast? Here I am with an amazing option. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I've taken 2 slices of brown bread. You can also go with whole wheat bread. Then apply half teaspoon of tomato ketchup on one slice. Spread it all over properly. Now take a spoonful of green chutney and spread it on the other slice. So the green chutney could be either mint one or cilantro or any one of your choice. So even you can go with green chili sauce if you don't have any of the former ones. Okay, now I'm putting 1 heaped teaspoon of mashed potatoes. So what I did is I boiled couple of potatoes, then mashed them and added spices of my choice like cumin powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder, some chaat masala and some cilantro or coriander leaves. So you can absolutely choose the spices of your own choice to add in the potato mash. Now apply some mustard sauce on top of it. Then drizzle some grated mozzarella cheese on the same slice over the mustard sauce. Now, if you don't like the texture or flavor of mozzarella cheese, you can also replace it with cheddar cheese or parmesan or with any other cheese of your choice. Now place the other slice on top of it, like so. Be careful so that nothing comes out from the sides. Now roast it on a pan or a griddle or a tawa from both the sides until it becomes crispy and turns golden brown in color. Apply some melted butter or ghee or oil on both the sides of the sandwich. So that's it guys, look how amazing it has started looking from both the sides. It's all crispy on the outside and soft and cheesy from inside. Isn't this yummy sandwich a perfect breakfast or snack for your weekends? Now cut the sandwich in whatever shape you want and enjoy. So do try it out. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time only on Dash of Delight. This is Soumya signing off. Bye bye.